Adventure time! Yay! Okay, here's our buggy. Let's get fidget shopping.
Yeah. Okay, here's the poppets. There's so many, look.
Whoa.
Okay, scoot the buggy back a bit. Okay.
Let's see. I think we should pick one.
Yeah, they're $7, and we have $20 to spend each.
Yeah.
So, there's so many.
Look, there's also some underneath.
Yeah, there are.
Ooh, there's a popsicle.
Wait, be careful. Ooh, wait, can I see the French fry one?
Yeah.
Ooh, let me try it. Okay, I think I want this one.
Let me try this popsicle.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get this one.
Okay.
Or actually, let's put them at the bottom.
Okay, good idea. But you know what we should do? We can put as much as we want in the cart, and then at the end we take it away.
Yeah.
So, what if I want? I think I want a fidget spinner. Let's see. This one, is it good? I can't spin it. Let me start. Yeah, this one's good.
Can you grab me that yellow one down there?
Yep, this one. My gosh, I can't grab it. Here you go.
Thanks.
Okay.
Ooh,
Look at all the
Simple
squishies.
Dimples.
Wait, Simple Dimples? Where? I didn't see those.
Right here.
Okay, can you grab me one?
Yeah.
Okay, there's squishies over here.
Oh my gosh. Look
There's
at
so
all of
many.
them. Whoa, look, there's jumbo ones.
Yeah, there are. I'm gonna pick a couple of these because they're only $1. I mean, the big ones are $5 or $4. I don't know.
I'm gonna get that. Ooh, there's a donut. This one is cute. And it has a hole.
I'm gonna get this Panda Bear donut. It's really cute. And let's see, what else? I think I'll get this one. It's an orange.
That's cute. Alright, next aisle.
Ooh.
Let's see. Look, there's some silly putty.
Yeah. I don't think I need any of that this time.
Yeah, I remember we got it last time.
Yeah, I'm going to get a hand gripper.
I think I'll get one of these.
Is it a hand gripper or a snapper? I don't remember what it's called.
I don't know.
Okay. And
There's wacky trap.
they're so pretty. I like this one. This one's very bright and colorful.
I think I'm gonna get this one. I don't know what it's shaped into. I think you squeeze it.
Yeah, I think you're right. So we're not actually gonna get all this.
No.
We're just marble mesh.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I think I'll put a marble mesh in. Let's see, I want green. This one's pretty.
I don't think I need a marble mesh this time. Ooh, but they do have pea poppers. I've always wanted one of these. They're so cool.
Okay, put one in. I'm gonna get. I don't think I need one of those.
Look, there's miniature pop too.
Yes, I want one. Grab both. Okay.
Okay.
They have infinity cubes
And tangles.
and bike chains. Okay, I want a bike chain. I'm gonna
I
get.
want this yellow infinity cube.
Nice.
I don't have one yet.
I'm gonna get the red bike chain.
I'm also gonna get this tangle.
Can you grab the other one for me? I think that's all for all of this, and then let's go through the stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. What do we have?
So we each have tangles.
Okay.
That's your pile. This is your pile. This will be mine.
Okay.
And then you got this panda squishy.
This was
You got
mine.
this pop.
I think I'm gonna put back this because I don't really want it right now.
I think I'll put back this squishy and maybe, let's see, I'm gonna put back multiple things.
Yeah, I'm gonna also put back. I like this.
This.
I'm gonna put back. I think I already have one similar to this, so I'm gonna put this back.
I don't think I need the symbol.
So yeah.
Let me add this up.
All the costs. Okay, add them
Okay,
up.
so I have a $7 poppet a $1 squishy.
So that's $8.
Yeah, this was $1. So
No.
that's
Oh yeah, it was $1.
$9. What? How much was this?
I think it's $3.
Yeah, so that would be $12. And then this was like $4.
Yeah.
So that's $16. I don't think I really need the fidget spinner. Let me go put it back.
Okay.
And then this was $1.
Yeah.
So how much is that?
17.
17. And then
This was
is
4.
4. So that's 21.
Oh.
I should downsize.
You can take one thing away.
I don't know, because they have stuff at the checkout too.
Oh yeah.
So I'll have to take away a lot of stuff to make it under 20. I don't think I need the infinity cube.
Okay, let me take.
Actually, I do, because I don't have one.
Okay, let me check how much mine is first. Okay, $7. This is 8. How much is this?
Those were like $3.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. This was $1 or $2? I think it's 2.
I don't know. Yeah, $2.
13, 14. How much was this?
I think it was about $2.
15, 16. That's right. 17. And then this is $3 or 4? How much is yours?
I don't know. I think it's 3.
Okay. So,
That's exactly 20.
So, yeah, I think this is... Yeah. Yep, so mine adds up to exactly $20. What about you, Julie?
Mine is 15.
So, there's probably stuff at the checkout that we can get.
Yeah.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Hello.
Hello. Ooh.
Let's.
Look, there's one of those things. What is it?
I don't know. I think this is a fidget pad. Oh, there's a puzzle ball.
Was that $5 or $6?
That was $5.
Oh, so that would mean your stuff is exactly $20.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm gonna get that.
yeah. Ooh, these things are cool. Look at that.
Oh yeah, and look, they have slinkies. And
They have this.
what is that?
I don't know. It's like a fidget spinner.
Whoa.
That looks really cool.
You should. I wish you could get that.
I'm just gonna get what I already have. So let's check out now.
Hello. Are you ready to check out?
Yep, we
Yes.
are. So,
All right. Just
Here's-
put the stuff up there.
wait, should I put my money on the counter? Okay.
And now beep all the stuff.
Beep. Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. That was so fun. Look at all
Yeah.
the stuff we got.
Mine barely fit.
Yeah, mine too. Well, that was a lot of fun fidget shopping with you, Julie. Thanks for doing it with me.
You're welcome. Well, I better go home now.
Yeah, me too. Come on.
Bye.
Keep smiling, adventurers.